RPI Athawale State President Maheshwar offers prayers at 𝐂𝐲𝐬𝐻 Shrine. Market mothers got warm welcome to social worker. And Manipur's 𝐒𝐲𝐻𝐸 bags second positions in All India Senior National Badminton Tournament held at UP's Bareilly. Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Northeast Window. This is CELINA giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. State President and Northeast General Secretary of Republic Party of India, Athawale Maheshwar Thaunawsam, offered prayers at the shrine of 𝐂𝐲𝐸𝐻 today. Large number of market mothers of 3 𝐂𝐲𝐸𝐻 markets accorded a warm welcome to the young social worker and politician during his visit at the market. Speaking to Maheshwar on the occasion, Imalaishram Mema lauded his sacrificial spirit and for his efforts in making aware of the present crisis in the state among people of different states in the country, stating that as now people are aware that Meiteis are not wrong and that dissenters can no longer remain silent. She asked Maheshwar what steps should be taken up next to ensure the state and center resolve the crisis.
Ichana, Thona Laina, Manipur Ima Lebaki the Maktadi, Nahawa Jarachupunchi Katuani, Miam Daikogi the Maktat, Miam Chair, Kangalani Haidana Ichana, a Tay State Punamak, Kangalaba Matunda, Nasidi, Lorna, Topina Labia, Roy Hybridagi, Nasidi, Setargo, Meno Urakbani, Kasigo Maichan, and Nasi, in the Agia Tay State, the Kanganba, Pretibigi, Leba Kudin the Kangalaba. Nalam dargadi ngasi ekoi na odi ba phibam si oi ba ngamoi isagi oi ba wakhalon da ngasi iramdam ijati si kaning bagi wakhalon ekoi chap chana khange.
Responding to Imam Mema, Maheshwar said every political party must acknowledge first that Manipur's integrity can't be affected under any circumstances and must protect one's community. If they fail to protect their own indigenous communities, they will not be in condition to face the world, he maintained.
Political party any leader quite first Manipur Kaibia, Namkai Kaibia, Maitai Jati, Turuki, the Hamilton, Lepka, indigenous with about Topa Ladiba, Maitai Panga Labiriba, indigenous with Mayam Sigi, the Mamang Taraga, Maitai, Lepka, the Haitare, Sidarastiti Yauba, a political party, anyway, Jasano, Masaki, Ijati, do Kandragadi, Mi Mamanga, Sumbai Upangam Pote, Aduna Isagi, leader Miam, the Suayasi Hajari, authority Miam Suway. Moy Patti have the Yarway. Adu get away. Moise political party going to bound to Rogale. Adu Nang Bakupangam the Basumam lay. Patri Canano, quite never say quite fast Canano have a Masakansi. When Manipur to Gaina Batari and View. Mapandagi Changaga, Memadagi Changagam, MP when a Manupam, Nakui Manipulation Ba. Terrorist activities Handopa. Government shoot on the Rapa. Adu again Makun Aingia, the Batabak single lawyer Taura Matunda. Aina Yaba me on the Bayadina. Muy new piece of the boat Lepalapa. Kahalapa. Some Narban named Jackie and Oil. Lady Mayam say I the Yahole Harakanda, Manipur to Guayna, but our plan of Matara. I do not see Gumba Mayam set us saying Harakadi. Akui make up Pukumatamure.
Manipur's 𝐒𝐲𝐸𝐻 clinched the second position in senior men's single event at Yonex. Sunrise Dr. Achilles Gupta Memorial All India Senior Ranking Badminton Tournament. The tournament was held in Uttar Pradesh, Bareilly, organized by Uttar Pradesh Badminton Association, under the aegis of Badminton Association of India from October 6 to 12. Altogether, 1,355 athletes participated in the tournament, of which 749 athletes from across the country competed in men's singles event. In the first round, the state started off with a 21-14, 21-18 stretch set win over Uttar Pradesh Rishak. In the second round, 𝐒𝐲𝐸𝐻 dropped Telangana's second ranking player, Tarun, 21-10, 21-13. In the quarterfinals, 𝐒𝐲𝐸𝐻 trounced Punjab's Lakshya Sharma, 21-9, 21-13. Maharashtra number 12 ranking player Rohan Gurbani, 51-21, 21-10 and 21-12. In the semi-final match, he thrashed All India number 4 player Tamil Nadu Siddhant Gupta 21-4, 21-10. Unfortunately, he lost All India ranking number 1 settler Delhi's 𝗑𝗙𝐏 𝐵 in the final match. Gulshan Kumar beat Meira to 17-21, 21-17 and 21-14. Manipuri Theatre Academy, Wangoi and Theatre Centre Manipur jointly organized Tarpan Mahotsav 2023 in tribute to departed artists at Wangoi Bazaar Community Hall today. State Kala Academy awardee L. Brajamohan, Secretary of Theatre Centre Manipur KHUMUJAM, and eminent playwright M. Santomani attended the program as chief guest, president and guest of honor respectively. Attendees present the event observed 2-minute silence in honor of the departed artist, martyrs of the present crisis and the 2 slain students. Giving the keynote address, Director of MATA, Sarungbam Biren, said that paying respect to their departed artists shows their contributions are still well regarded and efforts are on to promote the earth forms by following their footsteps. A health mela was held at Moirang Community Health Center in Bishnupur district today as part of the weekly health mela. CMO L. Raichandra and MO in charge NG Sarojini were the presidium members at the mela. Altogether, 23 doctors including pediatricians, gynecologists, surgeon, ophthalmologist, psychiatrist provided health checkup facilities at the mela. Speaking on the occasion, CMO L. Raichandra lauded doctors for their contributions and urged them to provide the best medical care to patients.
All the doctors from different departments, I welcome you again once again. And again from my side, I am telling you that it is a health mela and it is not a health care. A bit that whatever drugs or medicines or non-consumer items supplied for the director is a bit limited. And from our side also, we have arranged some medicine for the health mela. And I think from our side, we will examine the patient very nicely. And whatever requirement regarding the medicine may be limited also.
Social Department Association and Thaubal Bazaar Makha Meira Paibi under the aegis of Thaubal Apunba Loop provided relief items to relief camp open at Tera Khongsangbi, Meira Paibis and village volunteers today. SDA also expressed gratitude to Tongbam Munal, Soibam Joy and Soibam Ongbi Bimola of Thaubal Bazaar Makha for extending help to the association on the occasions of that anniversary of their forefathers. SDA and Thaubal Bazaar Makha Meira Paibi also urged the government to resolve the crisis at the earliest.
Aku pulak tasan jaraga lan cekeng piraba aku idam Tera Khongsangbi hai ba sigi makam masida control room gi halaman singuna daduna awa apa sing kering makara mateng pangjage ai pangjab lakpani Manipur sarkar na su hai ba warba gi prajamiyam gidam ta hona bili athuban ta hona bilaba matungda hai ba wana se amon tahan bilak tana ba hona binaba aku gi maiki de su thamjage.
Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma today reaffirmed his commitment to enhancing the quality of education in the state, stating that Pragati and Vikas rest on improving ease of living and building an ecosystem where children can access quality education. He said that from revamping over 4,000 schools and fulfilling teaching vacancies, Assam is also equipping students with cycles, computers and two-wheelers and aided that the state is also ensuring that students have access to vital resources such as bicycles, computers and two-wheelers to facilitate their educational journey. Chief Minister Sarma, along with state education officials, distributed bicycles worth an impressive Rs 161 crore to 3.7 lakh meritorious 9th standard students across public schools. It may be noted 56% of the beneficiaries of this initiative are girls. During the distribution event, Chief Minister Sarma expressed his vision, saying his government wants to create an educational ecosystem where every child has equal opportunities to excel. This move is a small but vital part of the government's commitment to ensuring that Assam's youth can focus on their education without the impediment of long, tiring commutes, he said. Kasar Police, in collaboration with the Border Security Force (BSF), recovered 2,60,000 yaba pills from a vehicle bearing registration number MZ059625 during a special operation in Silchar's Katakal district. Kasar SP Numal Mahatta stated that narcotic compounds brought from Mizoram's Champai districts were seized from a concealed room of the pickup truck, and the black market value of narcotic substances is said to be around 70 crore rupees. 2 people left the scene as police launched a search operation to find the missing people, and an investigation is ongoing, the police said. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma has appreciated the efforts of the Kasar police in curbing crime and acting tough against drug. As Israel continues to conduct relentless airstrikes on the Gaza Strip, its military have informed the United Nations that the entire population in northern Gaza should evacuate and relocate to southern Gaza within the next 24 hours immediately. A UN spokesperson, Stefan Dujarric, told this to a news channel. According to the UN, there are about 1.1 million people that live in northern Gaza. Israeli military directly addressed Gaza City residents, telling them to leave for their safety and protections. The warning comes as Israel is expected to launch a ground offensive into Gaza to crush Hamas. The UN wants the evacuation order taken back, stating that it could lead to devastating humanitarian consequences. This was the deadliest attack on the country since it was founded 75 years ago. European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen will visit Israel today to express solidarity with the victims of Hamas attacks. The US Secretary of State, Antony Blinken, arrived in the country yesterday to extend American support and help mitigate the situation. He met with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu in Tel Aviv and President Isaac Herzog on Thursday. Reportedly, Blinken also met Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas. In the meantime, Prime Minister Netanyahu formed a new war management cabinet consisting of Prime Minister himself, Defense Minister Yoav Gallant, and a senior opposition lawmaker and former Defense Minister Benny Gantz to bolster public trust and to infuse country's wartime leadership with greater military experience. On the other hand, at least 13 Israeli and foreign hostages held in the northern Gaza Strip have been killed in Israeli airstrikes in the past 24 hours, Hamas armed wing said today. Israel said Hamas has taken more than 150 people hostage, including both civilians and security forces. 13 prisoners, including foreigners, were killed in 5 locations targeted by Israeli fighter jets, the Ejidin Al-Qassam brigade said in a statement. Israel has rained air and artillery strikes on the blockaded Gaza Strip, a densely populated enclave of 2.4 million people, flattening buildings and killing more than 1,500 people. According to the Hamas media office in Gaza, at least 500 children are among the dead. The Ejidin Al-Qassam brigades had warned this week that every targeting of its people without warning will be met with the executions of one of the civilian hostages. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. RPI Athawale State President Maheshwar offers prayers at 𝐶𝐢𝐯𝐻 Shrine. Market mothers got warm welcome to social worker. And Manipur's Mairaba Luang bagged second position in All India Senior National Badminton Tournament held at Uttar Pradesh, Bareilly. And that is all we have for now. But for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.